What's up everyone, Ryan from Addicted to Nature. Welcome to another episode of Aqua Advice. We're talking about 3 different mid-ground plants that you can add into your aquarium today. What that means is that they're incredibly hardy, they're very versatile, and they will do fine in a low-tech setup or a high-tech setup. So let's get started with number 1. So this is Hydracaudal tripartita. It's a small viney looking plant originally from Southeast Asia, but you can treat this as a stem plant too. When you use this plant, you can either give it medium to high light and push it into your substrate and it'll carpet the front of your tank for you, or you can let it grow upwards with low light to medium light and it'll just keep going up and grow in the shape of a bush. This can even grow up out of the water, so you can have a beautiful rock or woodscape and it'll just follow that up into the top. I like to use this in shadowy areas of the tank and just have the leaves coming out through the shadows, and it gives a really nice magical effect. The next one is Rotala Wallichii, and I just absolutely love this stem plant. I wanted to show you guys all the different shapes and colors this plant can take on depending on the conditions of your tank. So first, I grew this stem in low-tech setup without CO2. It doesn't even have a light on it. It relies on a very weak sunlight, and it stays a nice small green for me. But once you put this in a high-tech tank, this one has nice blood red stems, and even the leaves change color. They go from red to orange to yellow depending on your lighting intensity. Now I recommend treating this as any other stem plant. So when you trim, you cut off the tops and you replant the tops, and pretty soon you're going to have a really nice bushy effect. You can put this even in the background, but I like to use this in the mid-ground and have that sort of taper where the shortest stems get planted towards the front and the longer ones are the back, so I have a really nice depth. The last one is Christmas moss. Now, Christmas moss is sort of the neater, tidier version of the Java moss, where Christmas moss grows in these nice little triangular shapes, much like a Christmas tree, where Java moss grows sporadically, it grows everywhere, and it's just like very, very messy. Now with Java moss, it grows very fast, but with Christmas moss, I would say it grows about 75% as fast as Java moss. So you're looking at maybe in high-tech setup, maybe half an inch every week, where in low-tech setups might do half an inch every 2 to 3 weeks for your Christmas moss here. And with Christmas moss, you can have this on rocks, wood. You can pair it with Anubias, Nina Petite like I have here, and it gives a very, very nice sort of jungly vibe to it. So that's it for today, guys. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.